Hello students. Now let us move towards the next concept of the lesson, that is the metamorphosis. So here the metamorphosis is a special type of a process which is going to take place in very few organisms or in very few animals. So it is a process in which uh, the organism undergoes a drastic change. The organisms undergoes the drastic change through which it is going to get a complete different body structure. Metamorphosis is a process. Metamorphosis is a process in which the organisms undergoes a drastic change through which they will get a totally different body design from the before. So once again I will tell you the definition of this metamorphosis. So it is a process of the transformation from an immature form of an animal. So here you can see the changes of the frog. So already we know that in the external fertilization, the female frog will lay the eggs, male frog will lay the sperms on this egg. So by the hatching it will convert into a larva. By the hatching process this egg will convert into the larva. So larva is an immature form of an animal. So that is, this is not the mature form. So this is the immature form of an animal. So that is called a larva. So larva is a immature form of animal which is formed by the egg. So here the larva undergoes the drastic change. So that is called the metamorphosis. So by the process of metamorphosis, the larva converts into the adult frog. So here you can see the larva doesn't have any front legs or the back legs. Here it is looking like a small fish. It has a long tail. It will swim with the help of its tail here. So it is always living in the water. But after the drastic change, this larva undergoes the metamorphosis process in which it will get its permanent body structure. That you already know that. So here you can see this is the egg. By the hatching process the larva will form. This larva is also called the tadpole. By the process of metamorphosis this larva converts into the adult frog. So like this process is going to takes place. So here the egg, larva and frog. So this is nothing but the metamorphosis. So metamorphosis, it is a process of transformation of an immature form of animal like larva to its adult form. So the process of transformation of an immature animal to the adult form, that is called the metamorphosis. So here this process we can see in the frog as well as in the silk moth. So silkworm, already we know that is also undergoes the process of metamorphosis. So that is also going to get the egg. From the egg it will get the larva. From the larva it will become adult. So after that it will become butterfly. So like that only we can see so many drastic changes are going to take place in the silk moth's life span. So here we can see, so this is these are the eggs of the silk moth. So this will convert into the larva or the larva. So after this one, this will convert into the pupa. So after that, it will convert into the silk moth adult. So like this, from the egg, it is going to change its body shape. So this is nothing but the metamorphosis. This is called the metamorphosis. The adult form of the silk moth is called silkworm is called silk moth, and larva is called caterpillar. So this is the process of metamorphosis, in which the organisms are going to change, or they are going to change their body shape into their permanent body structure. So that is nothing but the metamorphosis. The drastic change takes place in the organism's body. Okay, so this is the process of metamorphosis. So the next concept we will discuss that one in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.